Hello everyone, Puff Bear Cooper here. Let's start today's daily connections. Alright, let's take a look at the words or phrases. Driver's license, Louisiana, trendy, green light, Indiana, British magazine, Idaho, inch, musical note, Oklahoma, Los Angeles, Freudian concept, recognize, inside, mediocre, and lanthanum. What is this? Lanthanum, what does this mean?
Lanthanum.
Lanthanum, the chemical element of atom number 57, a silver white rare earth metal. So it must be related to Area 57, if that's the case. Anyway, those are the United States, right? Idaho, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Indiana. Los Angeles is in California. It's not a state, it's just a city. So I'm thinking this might be. No, not even close. Oh, that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. Okay. If that's the case, inch, then this must be something tricky going on here. All right. That's not gonna be an easy one then. It's a rare earth metal, right? Atomic number 57. Do we have area 57? Inside, recognize. Freudian concept. Green light, trendy, Louisiana, driver license. Musical note. Let me see. Musical note. What about musical note? Pitch, duration, notation, clef, dot, note, and rest. A music note represents a specific pitch and duration of sound, serving as the fundamental building block in music. In Western music, notes are identified by letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and visually represented on the staff using various note symbols that indicate their pitch and duration. Okay. Musical notes. Inch, a unit of linear measure equal to 1/12th of a foot. It's a unit of rainfall quantity that will cover a horizontal surface at depth of inch. Yeah, move slowly and carefully in the specific directions. Yeah, inching towards something, right? Because there was a technique called inching, I think, in the Metal Gear Solid saga, where the big not the big boss, right? In the Metal Gear Solid 3, I think there was a technique called this. Okay, in Scottish it could mean a small island or a small area of highland. Okay. All right. So Oklahoma City, Los Angeles City, Indiana, Louisiana. Oh, does it mean where we have some sports team? Oklahoma Thunder, basketball, NBA basketball team, Indiana Pacers. We don't have anything in Idaho, and but how about British magazine? Is it British magazine? Yes. A British magazine can refer to a magazine published in a kingdom or one that focuses on British culture, history, or lifestyle. Okay. Include popular examples include Britain magazine, Best of British magazine, The Country Life. Magazines like Vogue and GQ also have British editions. Okay, so does it qualify as trendy? Trendy though. Very fashionable or up to date. Person who is very fashionable or up to date. That's British magazine. Usually means it's up to, it's very trendy. Los Angeles is the city of trendiness, I'd say. Freudian concepts. We have ID, ego, and superego. We have unconscious defense mechanism, psychosexual stage, and influence on psychology. ID, ego, and superego. Center on the idea that unconscious force drive human behaviors, particularly early childhood experience and internal conflicts. Key concept into the ID, ego, and superego, which represent different aspects of psyche, as well as defense mechanism and psychosexual stages and development. Okay, psycho-related. You need a driver license to drive. You need a green light. But I don't see anything else. Los Angeles. Places we have how can I put it? Teams, sports teams, most likely sports teams. Oklahoma, Idaho, Oklahoma City, Indiana. Do we have Los Angeles City? Oh, it just says Los Angeles. It doesn't usually have a city. It can be city of Los Angeles, right? City of Los Angeles. Okay. And that's mediocre. Let's see, mediocre. It means of only moderate quality, not very good. Yeah. Mediocre. So those, but how are those United States state names can be categorized in different groups? Oklahoma, Idaho, it's still on the western side. Louisiana and Indiana. Louisiana is to the south. Indiana is somewhat to the east, right? Northeast part. Not that north, but green light, which basically mean it could mean giving consent to do something. A green traffic light, giving permission to proceed, or giving permission to go ahead with a project, especially a movie. Inch towards green light inside. British magazine. Freudian concept. Los Angeles musical note. Musical note. What does musical note have? Pitch and duration. Those are the two most interested or put on the lines. Pitch and duration. Lethanim. From the ancient Greek, meaning to lie hidden. What is lethanim used for? The rarest metal in various uses, primarily in catalysts, batteries, and specialized glasses. Optical glasses, lighting, alloys, other uses. Okay. Don't have a lot of it. It's just LA. Oh yes. It's the LA. You can Los Angeles. You can call it LA, city of LA, and Lathinum it is also shortened as LA, and Louisiana, short form of Louisiana. It's also LA, yes. And what else can be shortened as LA? Mediocre, inside. LA, green light, trendy. LA, meaning. Oh, it can also mean a musical note, la, right? So what LA could possibly be? These four are best, definitely. Yeah, what LA might refer to. Okay, at least we've got that out of the way. Now, and it's one of the harder ones, at least by the puzzle creator. It's one of harder ones. A mediocre, trendy, green light, recognized, inside. Oops. Indiana, Oklahoma, Idaho. Since we do not have this Louisiana, and out of that, Floridian concept. Basically, we have ID, ego, and super ego. So, yeah, identity, right? Driver's license, you can use it as your ID. And Idaho, yeah, it could also be ID. Short form of Idaho. Yes, the same. ID. Yes. So what can also be used as an ID? Recognize. Green light. Indiana. Indiana. Short form is IN, but not ID, right? And inch, trendy, recognize. Yeah, recognize. You ID'd something. Basically, you recognize something. Yes. These four must be what ID might refer to. You can see the common trend here in today's puzzle. Okay, just need to get one more right. Okay, I have Indiana, IN, right? Inside Indiana is IN. Yep, but IN might refer to Indiana. Inch is IN, right? Short form of inch. It's IN. Yes, Indiana, inch, inside, and trendy, mediocre, green light, and Oklahoma. Let me see. Oklahoma, okay? Short form of Oklahoma, which is okay. Then trendy, mediocre is just okay, right? Green light is okay to go. Yeah, give you the okay. Oklahoma is okay. Yes, these three must be the same group. How about trendy and British magazine? Did I search for British magazine just now? Best of Britain, Country Life, Vogue, and GQ. So does this mean in or okay? Trendy. Does trendy mean okay? Yeah, could. Let me choose this. Yeah, should be this. One away. So it's not this, then it must be trendy. Must be. What in might refer to? Trendy. And so Oklahoma, British magazine, mediocre, and green eyes are what can mean okay, right? What okay might refer to. Yeah, those four up. Yeah, this is the first time I've seen the puzzle in this form, but it's quite fun, to be honest. And we've got it all right. And we're starting a new streak. Pretty good job. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in tomorrow's episode. Puff Bear out.